You see this bell? This is a present for my daughter's teacher after finishing 8 years of teaching 1st to 8th grade. Today I'm going to make this bell a box, an octagonal box.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hi, my name is Agassi and welcome to my studio. On my table today, a bell. Why a bell? Because in Waldorf education, each teacher calls the kids back to class with a bell. Each bell sounds different and the kids know to recognize and come back to class. In Steiner school, each grade has a different color, from red to purple, just like a rainbow. At the end of the year, the parents bind all the notebooks into a hardcover binding, just summing up the grade year. As I have 4 children, it's a whole bookshelf. And that gave me an idea. 8 colors, 8 years, 8 polygrams, an octagonal box. Idea in mind, let's bind. I'll start by measuring the diameter and the height of the bell
21.
and cut a square on my board here. To make the octagon, I mark the center on my board. I find the horizontal center by marking with a needle, and then mark a vertical line. I take my compass and find the exact distance between center to corner. I'm making sure that the measurement is accurate with another corner. Now I'm locating the compass at the corner and making an arch from face to face, going through the center point. These 4 arches will give me the marks for cutting the 4 corners, forming an octagonal shape. I decided to glue black paper for lining the inside. And cut all around. For making the faces, I'm very happy to use my long forgotten 45-degree cutter. This tool deserves some daylight. I'm cutting the board in a 45-degree angle and then gluing face to face together. While making the connection, I thought that there is a better way to do this. Sorry, 45-degree cutter. Back to the box. What I decided to do is glue inside black paper and on the outside do what is called scoring. Scoring is taking your knife and cutting halfway inside the material so it would fold nicely. So I measured the face of the bottom, which is 5.2, and started scoring the board, passing twice in each position so I won't go too deep into the board. The grain direction of the board is important, and in this case I want it parallel to my cut. I would make a video in the near future covering the basics about grain direction and link it here. I glue the opposite side, the inner box. I always aim to glue the thicker material first because when damp, the material warps, it expands, and the thicker the material, the less it would expand. I'm flipping it over, making sure it is glued properly. I work with my hand and then with the bone folder. Now I'm trimming all around. Moving on to the fun part of folding the board. I'll check that the faces are accurate and mark how much to trim from the last piece. Gluing all around. And let's connect the two parts together. Time to cover with cloth. Here I have a dilemma because I want it to be exactly in the center in each face, and it's pretty complicated to make it exactly in the center. So what I'm going to do is cut strips of cloth and glue each one on each face at the joint here, and the rest just cover with paper. Also, I thought how I'm going to film this for you without moving it around all the time. So I made the jig. I took triangles from the trash can, made the jig. I hope it would work. So let's go and see the gluing and cutting montage. And here it is. Let's put the bell inside. Close it up. That was fun. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps tremendously. And also subscribe if you like things related to letterpress, bookbinding, or box making. And I'll see you in the next video.